Hello guys, in the following video I want to make you know what kind of promises I can make you as a brand founder. First of all, we are located in Benidorm, Spain, so what you can expect is finding all sorts of different antiques and vintage products, mainly from Spain, but also from another European countries. The second thing is that we offer free shipping in all of our products to United States, Canada, United Kingdom and all the countries of European Union, Switzerland included. So to the rest of the world we charge a flat rate of 45 United States dollars, and we mainly use FedEx, which is very reliable courier, and we do have some special offers for those people who are considering on buying several products for the bundle orders. Also, for the typewriter purchases, we do offer some extra ribbon packs and typewriter poetry on orders of certain amount. And finally, if you like something but you're not sure about the price, we are open to offer, so contact me and I'm sure we can reach an agreement. Also, we love typewriters and we are specialized on them. All of our typewriters were professionally serviced and revised to ensure its correct performance, with 2 new ribbons, one of them already installed, so in case you need more ribbons you can add them to your order when you will place it. What about our gift options? We do offer gift wrapping plus typewriter typed custom note. We do customize some models of typewriters in different colors, you can request it of course, and we have some personalized typed on a typewriter poems, which also we offer to all our clients. Also, we offer a satisfaction guarantee in all our products, so or you love it or you will get the money back. I want to be crystal clear in this part because I really value your customer experience dealing with me and my reputation. That you can obtain all the assistance you need when you will be dealing with us in an easy way by WhatsApp or email, and our website is made in Shopify with all secure payment methods integrated in order you can shop safely. See you!